In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add ledger to Koinly. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to integrate your ledger directly into Koinly, allowing you to better manage the transactions that you make. So to start this and connect ledger to Koinly, go over to your dashboard. So make sure that you are signed into your account, and when you are inside of the dashboard, one of the options under your wallets is going to be add wallet/exchange. So switch over to wallets and then go to add wallet/exchange. Now, among the options, you can search for ledger, and it is going to be one of the results that appears on this list. So choose ledger from the list of wallets that you can add. Once you choose ledger, you will now be able to choose between setting up autosync and importing from a file. I'm going to be showcasing how to use autosync. In my opinion, it is going to be the primary method. It is going to be the most comfortable and convenient to use. If you want to, you can download a specific file manually, and after you download that file, you manually load it into your specific website, in this case Koinly, but autosync will be much simpler. When you choose setup autosync, what you will have to do is add the blockchains here. You can add multiple at a time. So to acquire this, go over to Ledger Live, access your accounts, choose a particular blockchain, and in here select the option to receive. You will have to confirm on your Ledger device, and finally you will be given the address for this specific wallet inside of Ledger Live. So copy this wallet address, and now all that you have to do is paste it within the input field here. Like I said before, you can do this for multiple accounts. It should immediately appear on this list, so confirm. For example, if you chose an Ethereum address, it should appear automatically, but if it doesn't match up, double check. And once it has been added, you will be able to repeat this as many times as you wish. All of the wallets will be synchronized with Koinly. I hope I was able to help you on how to add ledger to Koinly. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.